Alright guys, today I am at the newest master plan community in the Northwest, Skye Hills. I'm visiting the Falls at Tribute by DR Horton, who is offering these spacious homes at a great price point. These homes range between 2,400 square feet to almost 3,000 square feet, and they are starting from the mid-400s. This floor plan here has 5 bedrooms, one of them right here being downstairs, 3 baths, and a 2-car garage. You also have your laundry room downstairs, along with a full bathroom. And here we have a large open kitchen and great room. Now the cool thing that I'm loving about this property in particular by this home builder is that as of right now, as I'm filming this, they are offering 18 by 18 ceramic tile at the entry, wet areas, dining, and common areas on the first floor. And you ready for this? All these stainless steel appliances by Whirlpool is included. Your refrigerator, your range, microwave, dishwasher, that's all included, along with the granite slab countertops and LED lighting. The home builder is also including smart home products like the touchscreen smart home control panel, smart video doorbell, quick set smart deadbolt, ADT security system ready. I mean, the list goes on with these amenities that this home builder is offering. And at this price point, guys. Okay, and I forgot to mention, the washer and dryer is also included. Yeah, and window coverings. Oh my gosh, the list goes on. Anyway, here we are on the second level. Hi. And I'm gonna follow Caleb. He looks like he wants to go into bedroom number 1. So here's your first bedroom. Oh no, wait, that's the second bedroom because the first bedroom was downstairs. All right, so here's your shared bath. You've got dual sinks. The chrome finishes are included. Shower and potty. Okay, and here is bedroom number 3. Great size. Bedroom number 4. And check this out right here, a bonus room. This is such a cool room. There's so many things that you can do with it. I myself would probably make this a playroom. What would you do with this room? All right, so let's head back because we've got one more room to see. Now here we are. We made it to the primary suite. And here your ceiling fan with a light kit is included. I love this walk-in closet. So again, this home has 5 bedrooms and 3 baths from the mid-400s. What'd you guys think? Let me know below in the comments what you guys think of this community out in Skye Hills. Beautiful area, check it out. Close to the freeway. Some shopping, but still tucked away right next to the beautiful mountains. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, see you at the next tour.